Alright, this video is going over chapter 4, program number 7, and we want to print out this multiplication table. And we don't need to make the little side numbers here, basically just fill in the squares. So the idea is you just need two loops, nested loops, and they both are going to loop from 1 to 10. Right, so the outside one is usually the rows, so we're going to loop from 1 to 10 in the rows, and then another one that loops 1 to 10 to the columns. And then each spot, like if I look at this spot here, it's just the row times the column, right? So it's just 2 times 4. This spot is 2 times 5. This one is 4 times 5, right? So each spot you can get by just printing out the row times the column. So how it would look would be you just do 4 int row equals 1. Row is less than or equal to 10 because we go up to 10 plus row. And then do the exact same thing for column. So column starts at 1, column is less than or equal to 10. We wouldn't have to make it square, but the example they gave was square, so I'll do the same thing. And then I just want to sysout print the row times the column. Okay, and I'm actually going to do this wrong. So when I run this, I won't get the little table that I want, actually. I'll get like one giant line of multiplication. So the trick is, where do you put the return? So if we look back at the start of this, we want to print an entire row and then do a return. Okay, so in my code, I'm going to make this just print ln with a space or a tab. Probably tab looks a little better. I'm going to add to this a /t. All right, that'll print a tab, and then I only print the return once I'm done printing a row. So this is for each row. So this prints across the row here, and then that row is done. So now I want to do a blank print line there so that it'll go to the next line after we're done printing out a row, before I start the next row. Okay, so inside my row loop there, I just need to put a return at the end. And now I've got, I'll make it a little bit bigger, but now I've got the table that I want. Okay, and it's kind of cool because now you could make all sort, like a really big one by just changing these numbers, and you can make a huge multiplication table if you so desire. Okay, so that's it for program 7. Hopefully that helps you out.